Good morning, students. Welcome to the SST class. Please take your text because what I am going to discuss, if you just listen, you will not be able to understand, and therefore you need to refer to your text, the whole discussions, and therefore please take your text, open page number 127. In the previous video, we have discussed about the agriculture in India and the types of seasons and the cropping seasons. Type of seasons and the cropping seasons of India we have discussed. Today I would like to discuss about the type of crops that we grow in India. There are various types of seasons in India. Due to that, we have various types of crops too. Besides, the geographical features and climatic condition are the main factor for any agricultural activities, and therefore, according to the climate and geographical features, we have varied type of, that means variety of crops grown in India. So all this whole type of crops in India, only they are categorized into two. So I said very many types of crops are grown in India according to the climatic condition in different parts of the country. Still, all crops are divided into two categories. Number one, cash crop, and the second one is food crops. That is a food crops, cash crop. Okay, let us put in order food crops and cash crop. In food crops, what we do or what farmers do or what the producer does is, these crops are cultivated for the consumption. For the consumption, that means we consume, we eat up in various forms. Naturally, you should know that for our food we need plants. So various plants are there, and mainly we depend on plants for our food. Plants are the producer and we are consumer, and so we consume, we eat up. Different parts of the plant are eaten up as food for us, for all living being for that matter. And so there is a food crops grown in the farm by the farmers. The main food crops that are grown in India are rice, wheat, barley, maize, then different types of vegetables, the roots and the shoots, and also the pulses. They are all called the food crops. These are the main food crops. What are they? Rice, wheat, maize, barley, and the pulses. So these are main. Besides that, there are the crops that are grown for our consumption, for our food, that are vegetables that are eaten in either leaves or stem or root or fruit. Even the flowers, some vegetables are eaten as in the form of flowers. So there are different types of food crops grown in India. That is the main thing. Okay. Next one is the cash crop. cash crops are grown in the farm for selling it in the market as a raw material for various types of industries. Therefore it is known as cash crop. It is sold to the market and sold in the market, and then they are the raw materials for the various types of industries. For example, sugar cane is grown in the farm, and that is the raw material for sugar. So sugar industries, the people of sugar industries buy this sugar cane for their raw material to produce sugar. Next one is the jute. Jute are grown in big amount in the state of West Bengal. The most advanced jute growing state is West Bengal. This is the raw material for various purposes, especially the textile industries take this as their raw material, and also there are different sack making and all that, is rope making, sack making, netting and all that. So there are various uses, and different types of industries buy them as a raw material. Next one is the other one is the oil seeds. See, oil seeds are also for our consumption, but they are sold in the market as a raw material for various industries. For example, mustard seed are sold and as a raw material for the oil industry. So edible oils are prepared for the human consumption, but it is sold to the industry. So these come under the cash crop. Next one is the most important thing is the tea and coffee. Tea and coffee are sold in the market as a cash crop. People grow, but then sold in the market as a food raw material for tea industry. Okay, so that is also known as cash crop. So these are the various kinds of crops grown in India as cash crop. Okay, so next one is the so this is all about I wanted to discuss about the food crops and cash crop. In next video we will be discussing about the development of agriculture, how from the beginning till now the agricultural activities have been developed, advanced rather, they have been improved, the quality of agriculture, and then agricultural activities, and also the increase in the production. And so these are the factors that we are going to discuss in the next video. Till then, stay safe, study. Now slowly final exams are approaching, so please note that too.